What's up, everybody? I'm doing a sort of lo-fi video today. I apologize for the quality, but this is all I have. I just came back from Little Tokyo, and I found some really cool shops out there. If you're ever in Los Angeles, definitely take a look at Little Tokyo. It's really cool, really good food, really good shops. If you're into Hello Kitty, they have a Sanrio there. They had a lot of knickknacks, and I saw this thing and I had to get it, so I wanted to unbox it for everybody today. It's a Pokemon. It's just like a little figurine thing, and I ended up getting two. I got one for my cousin, the Bulbasaur, and then I got a Snorlax for myself. Oh yeah, and by the way, my cousin also makes YouTube videos, so make sure to check him down below. But they did have Eevee and all these other Pokemon available. I took a photo, so if you want to see what the other ones look like. And from what they told me, you get exactly what's in the box. Sometimes there are surprise boxes, but this one, the person that sold it to me said that it's exactly what you get. So hopefully it's true. I'm not sure what these are called, but I know that they are officially licensed by Nintendo and Pokemon, or maybe just Pokemon. I don't know about Nintendo. All right, let's open it up. Ooh. There we go. So nice and sealed. Lang Boing. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. And there you go. You got yourself a Snorlax. But what good is a Snorlax without its pillow? So yeah, it comes with its pillow, and then there you go. So it comes with this little instruction manual in case you haven't figured it out. I wish I knew what these instructions said, but it's pretty straightforward. Oh, okay. So this kind of is not just a toy. This actually works as a sort of like mouse wrist rest. That's very nice, very convenient. And I think, just going by context clues, I think it can also be used to wipe your screen. So look at that, man. I love Japan, bro. They think of everything. Multi-useful, right? Because this is ideally like a desk toy. That's the way I thought it's kind of cool just to have on your desk. And I didn't think about that you could use it as a... So I have a mouse. Actually, there's another video I'm making. Is my old mouse. Since I work from home now, it's not very ergonomic. I use it a lot, and I was starting to develop pain in my wrist. So I ended up getting a vertical mouse. But this thing's cool. I got like a little wrist rest pillow now. That's nice. So I'll have to take turns with Snorlax. And then I don't have a phone because I'm using my phone to record, but I think this part is like a microfiber. So you could probably use it to wipe down your phone. I'll have to test it out. I don't think this part, but this part for sure. So look at that. cool little toy slash little desk toy, little thing. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and Happy New Year 2023. Let's go.